when we rapidly change someone's diet, this is a pretty quintessential study published back in 2014 from David et al., where they looked at taking in either a heavily plant-based diet for a number of days, highlighted there in green. So that would be the plant-based diet to those graphs running down to your right, and then an animal-based diet, or to the plant-based diet's to your left, the animal-based diet is to your right. Sorry about that. So we can see in just a couple of days that the composition of the microbiome drastically changed. So we are able to affect the populations in our gut very quickly, just based on diet. Same with with energy intake. If we're if we're going through a caloric restriction, or say that we're eating too much, again, we can affect the types of microbes, the population of these microbes that we're seeing by profiling them.
And this is over how long of a period of time?
So this particular study was done for 10 days. So they did have a run-in period, which is, if you look to those graphs, that's that white part. And then the actual diet intervention was 4 days. It's that part in green. So we're seeing massive changes in just 4 days, not even a week's time.
And this isn't so much about plant versus animal as much as signifying that, hey, you can have a pretty rapid change in diversity in the microbiome exclusively through food.
Exactly. Yeah, exactly. And, this study is cited a lot, but I don't think people truly appreciate just how big of a change that these researchers observed here. And I mean, it's just speaking purely on anecdote. I mean, how many times have you gone out, maybe to a restaurant or something, and eaten something that you shouldn't have eaten, and the after effects that you felt the day after? I mean, we know this. We know this kind of intuitively, and this is what we're seeing based on these really well conducted human clinical trials.